So I haven't posted in a while, and I decided to cook something I've never cooked before. I'm making something called Romanye, basically lentils with eggplant and pomegranate juice. It's very sour. If you know Lebanese, Syrian, Jordanian food, we like things that are sour. Maybe because we're so bitter. Anyway, so I'm gonna put water in these, on these, and we're gonna put them on the stove. In the meantime, let's cut up all these eggplants. These are tiny. You're supposed to use the big eggplant. I actually hate cooking, but I mean, I like the outcome. I like eating food, so. One done, 5 to go. Have you guys seen White Lotus? I've just finished the last episode. Finally done. Do you know these YouTubers that cook something and they're like, oh my god, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm totally freaking out. Well, I'm not freaking out. And I know what I'm doing. My phone ran out of storage, so because I talk too much, but I've added the eggplants now. And there is something we're supposed to do that is called adha. So it's basically, my mouth is watering because it's so good. Garlic, chili pepper, coriander, and cumin. Update, I've broken a plate, but we're still going. So now we're supposed to mush them together. Add the pomegranate juice. Not too much. Making the adha. I just realized I'm taking this way too seriously and I'm actually explaining this to you people. If you're interested in cooking this, do not listen to anything I say. I'm just hungry. So this is done, I think. It smells really good. So one of my senses is satisfied. And now the last touch. I was hoping for more of a sound effect. It tastes good, but the lentils are undercooked. God, I hate cooking. It tastes really good though.